Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix digital marketing with Hootsuite, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Hootsuite account if you haven't already. Visit the Hootsuite website and click on the sign up button. Choose a plan that suits your needs. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Once registered, log into your Hootsuite dashboard. Connect your social media accounts by clicking on the Manage Social Networks tab. Select the platforms you want to link, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Authorize Hootsuite to access your social media accounts. Now that your accounts are connected, navigate to the Streams feature. Create custom streams for each social media account to monitor key metrics. Add streams for mentions, messages, and scheduled posts. To schedule a post, click on the Composer button in the top right corner. Write your post content in the text box. Attach any media files if necessary. Choose the social media profiles where you want the post to appear. Select the date and time for the post to be published. Click on Schedule to finalize your post. Next, use the Analytics feature to track your social media performance. Select the social account you want to analyze. Review key metrics like engagement, reach, and audience growth. Adjust your digital marketing strategy based on the analytics insights. Make use of Hootsuite's content library to store and manage your media. Upload images, videos, or documents you frequently use in your posts. This will streamline your content creation process. Consider creating and using Hootsuite's scheduling tools to maintain consistency. Utilize the auto-schedule feature to automatically publish content at optimal times. Explore Hootsuite's app directory for additional tools and integrations. Enhance your marketing efforts with apps that suit your business needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.